Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from Arjun Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachau. So students, as you all know that we have started our revision in maths, and in revision we have done addition. In that revision video of addition, I have told you about different types of addition we have learned in our syllabus. Means simple addition including addition of kilogram and gram as well as addition of liters and milliliters. So now moving further, today we are going to start, or today means we have already done, but today we are going to revise, that is subtraction. So in the same manner we will do revision of subtraction also. So you can see here on board that I have written some So you can see on board that here I have written some subtraction, and in this we have simple subtraction including subtraction of kilogram and gram as well as subtraction of liters and milliliters. So in this class again in the same manner as we have done in addition, all type of addition together. So here we are going to do subtraction in all types of mixed subtraction in this class. Okay. So let's start. Now you can see here that I have written one number. What it is? How we will know that what is the number? So before that we must put the places. So let's start. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands. Okay, now you all know about this. It is so common. Ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. These are the places I have written here. Now let's start. Now first we have to read the number. So how we will read what it is? 6253. The given number is 6253, and we have to subtract by 5142. What is the number? 5142. So now we know very well how to do subtract. Just we have to focus that the places number should be placed properly. The ones place number is in ones place, tens place number is in tens place, hundred place number is in hundred place, and thousand place number is in thousand place. So now we can start. Now start, just subtract. This is 3, this is 2. So count after 2. 2 and plus 1 is 3, means how much is left? 1 is left. And or you can count like this, after 2 and then 3. So 1 is coming, right? So this is 1. Now 5 minus 4, subtract 4 from 5, what you will get? 1. Similarly subtract 1 from 2, what you will get? 1. And similarly subtract 5 from 6, what you will get? 1. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 1111. What is the answer? 1111. So simple. This is 3, this is 2. So you know how to do subtract. From 3 cut 2, how much is left? 1. From 5 cut 4, how much is left? 1. From 2 cut 1, how much is left? 1. From 6 cut 5, how much is left? 1. So we are getting answer 1111. Now again for solving this, first because we want to read the number. So what we can do? Okay, first we must put the places. So ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Now let's start. This is 3, this is 2. How much will come? 1. Because minus 2 from 3, 1 we are getting. Again subtract 4 from 5, then 1 we are getting. Now see students, this is 0 and this is also 0. So we don't have to do anything. We can simply write 0. But अगर यहाँ पे हमारा greater digit होता, फिर हमें क्या करना पड़ता? Then we have to take borrow from the another number. But there is a single, means there is 0 only, so we don't need to take any borrow, and simply we can write 0, 0 is 0, and then minus 2 from 4, what we are getting? 2. So what is the answer? 2011. But we will write, when we will read it, 2011. Why I am not saying after 2000? Why I am not saying 100? Because in hundreds place 0 is there. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने जब रीड किया था तो बट आई वाज सेइंग 1111. मैंने यहाँ पे 100 इसलिए कहा था बेटा बिकॉज इन हंड्रेड्स प्लेस 1 इज देयर. बट इन केस ऑफ दिस वन व्हेन आई एम सेइंग 2011 2000, then directly I am saying 11. Why I am not saying anything for 100? Because in place of 100 0 is there. So 100 के place में कुछ है ही नहीं. So that's why we are not saying 100. We are just skipping that. We are coming here. So what it will be? 2011. Now see this one. You can see here what it is given. This is kilogram. This is gram. Okay. This is kilogram. This is gram. How we will write? How we will read this? 10 kilogram and 500 gram. It is 10 kilogram and 500 gram. And this one 4 kilogram 290 gram. 4 kilogram 290 gram. Now we have to subtract. Now we all know all the rules of subtraction. So nothing is new for you. How you will do? What you will do here? See. This is 0 0. So what will come? 0 will come simply. Okay. 0 0 means 0 because no need to take any borrow. But now see this number. This is 0 and this is 9. Now I have explained you very well about the rule of subtraction, that whenever we have to subtract, we must notice the number that is written in downside must be smaller or must be smaller than the number written in upside. Okay. हमारा जो नंबर हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा वो नंबर हमेशा हमारा स्मॉल होना चाहिए एज कम्पेयर टू द नंबर बाय विच वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, विच फ्रॉम विच वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, जिससे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ दिस इज 9, दिस इज 0. 9 is greater and 0 is smaller, and I have told you whenever we have to do subtraction, smaller digit should be there in downside. लेकिन ये तो हमारा बड़ा आ गया because 0 is the smallest number and here what we are getting 9. So how? Now what number we were having here? 9. So how we will do subtraction? So for this we have to take borrow. Now at the time of taking borrow also you have to remember that when you are taking borrow at similar time you must deduct number from here. Means जिस टाइम पे आप बोरो ले रहे हैं उसी टाइम पे बोरो लेने के बाद जिस नंबर से आपने बोरो लिया है वो नंबर डिडक्ट होकर कितना आएगा उसी टाइम पे लिख दीजिए. आइदर यू विल फॉरगेट दैट और उसके बाद आपका सॉल्यूशन जो है वो रॉन्ग आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज 5, दिस इज 0. नाउ 5 इज गिविंग बोरो टू दिस एंड इट इज बिकमिंग 10. नाउ हियर एंड दिस 5 विल बिकम 4. यू हैव टू राइट इंस्टेंट एट दैट टाइम ओनली, उसी टाइम पे लिखना है. एक बार भी अगर पूछते हैं तो फिर मैं इसे 5 - 2 कर दूंगी और ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है, जैसे ही हमने बोरो दिया ये 0 तो 10 हो गया और ये 5 क्या हो गया 4 हो गया. नाउ सी 10 minus, now we can do it very easily. This is 10, this is 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Or deduct 9 from 10, but we are getting 1. Now this is 4 and this is 2. Now deduct deduct 2 from 4 or minus 2 from 4, but we are getting 2. Now let's come this side. This is 0. This is 0. So again 0 is a smaller number and this is 4. 4 is greater number. So we cannot subtract, right? We cannot subtract like this. So again what is the requirement? Again we need borrow from this number so that we can subtract 4. Now अब देखो बेटा, you have two choices because यहाँ पे भी और कोई नंबर नहीं है तो आप simply इसे पूरा 10 मान के भी माइनस कर सकते हैं. और because you may get confused, so इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं, this will become 10 and this will become 0. तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, don't write earlier ना, ऐसे पहले नहीं लिखना है. ये 0 हो गया. Now this is 10, this is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6 and then 0 is 0. So what answer we are getting? We are getting, now nobody will say that it is 6210. No, this is not 6210. This is 6 kg and 210 gram. What answer we are getting? 6 kg and 210 gram. Okay. Now, I hope it is clear to everyone. 0 0 0. This is 0. 1 borrow. It became 10. 10 minus 9 1. Because we have given borrow, तो यहाँ से 1 number deduct हो गया. This is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And again this is 0. So we cannot subtract from 0. So that's why again we have taken borrow. तो ये 10 हो गया. 10 minus 4 is 6. और यहाँ 1 के place में कुछ नहीं बचा. 0 हो गया. So 0. And the answer is 6 kg 210 gram. Now you can see here. Now I hope that it is visible. So you can see here this is kilogram and gram. The same thing we have to do as we have done earlier. 14. But now see, this is 5 and this is 8. Again, 5 is a smaller number and 8 is greater number. And in subtraction, we cannot subtract the smaller number from, we cannot subtract the greater number from smaller number. So what we need, this is 5. अब ये बिल्कुल ऐसी बात है जैसे आपसे कह रहा है आपके पास 5 टॉफीज हैं और वो 5 टॉफीज में से आप 8 टॉफीज अपने फ्रेंड्स को दे दो. Is it possible? If you have 5, so how you will provide 8 toffees to any other person? It is not possible. So in the same manner, but it is saying that this is 5 and this is 8. From 5 you have to deduct 8. So this case is not possible. So for doing subtraction, we have to borrow from this 5. Now when we will borrow from this 5, what we will get? This will become 15 and this will become 4. ये क्या हो जाएगा? This will become 15 and this will become 4. Now count after 8 and 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Count again after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How much we are getting? 7. What is the answer? 7. So what we will put here? 7. Then you can see this is 4. Why it is 4? Because this 5 has given 1 borrow to this 5. So now one number is deducted and it becomes 4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now see again the same problem arises here. This is 1, this is 8. फिर से वही बात आ गई कि हम 1 में से 8 को तो हम माइनस कर ही नहीं सकते. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास 1 टॉफी है तो आप 8 पर्सन्स को तो प्रोवाइड नहीं करा पाएंगे. तो आपको लिए क्या जरूरी है? अगर आपको किसी को 8 टॉफी देनी है तो यू मस्ट हैव 8 टॉफीज और मोर देन 8 टॉफीज सो दैट यू कैन प्रोवाइड टू अनदर पर्सन. तो इसके लिए क्या होगा? अगेन दिस 2 इज हेल्पिंग मी 1 एंड हाउ मच 1 विल बिकम 11 एंड दिस 2 विल बिकम 1. 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 11 बिकॉज 1 पहले से 1 है और यहाँ से 1 आया ये 11 हो गया एंड दिस 2 is now 1 because 1 number यहाँ से minus हो गया. So 11 minus 8 what it will be? Count after 8. 9, 10 and 11. कितना आ रहा है? 9, 10 and 11. We are getting 3. So what we will put here? 3. And this 1 minus 1 is simply 0. 1 minus 1 is simply 0. तो क्या है? 0, 3, 1, 7, 0. I can write it again because I have written from this side. So it is not looking good. 1, 7, 0 and this is 3. This is 3. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 3 kilogram 170 gram. What answer we are getting? 3 kilogram 170 gram. Now let's see this side. What it is? Again now we have another type of subtraction where we are subtracting लीटर्स एंड मिलीलीटर्स. अब जहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स में सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. सो यू कैन सी हियर व्हाट इज द गिवन नंबर? 21 लीटर एंड 800 मिलीलीटर. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 21 लीटर 800 milliliter and this one is 15 liter 655 liter. 15 liter 655 liters. So now we know all the rules for subtraction. So what we will do? Now let's start subtraction. This is 0. Now see this carefully. This is 0. So this cannot subtract 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. हम 0 से 5 को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. So what we need some borrow. We need some help from second number. लेकिन हमारा second number ही 0 है. अब देखिए, suppose you need pencil, so you will ask for pencil from your friend. But if your friend is also not having pencil, so how he will provide you? Is it possible? It is not possible. So for that, your friend is also needs somebody's pencil. Then only he can provide you. So the same thing is here. So that this 0 need borrow from this number. But because here is also 0, so this 0 cannot provide any borrow from this. So simply we will come here in 8. Now first 8 will provide this to 0. Then 0 will provide borrow to this 0. So what will happen here? Now what will be? See 8. So 8 is becoming 7. 8 has given borrow to this 0 and this 0 became 10. Okay? I hope this is clear to everyone. But now this 10 will again give borrow to this 0, so this will become 10, लेकिन हमने देखा है कि जो भी borrow देता है उसमें से 1 डिडक्ट हो जाता है, तो जो ये 10 था, जब इस 10 ने इस 0 को borrow दिया, तो this will become 9, ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, this will become 9, so now it is 10, this is 7, this is 9, this is 10, 8 ने 0 को दिया borrow, तो 8 7 हो गया, 0 10 हो गया, अब ये जो है इस 0 को देगा, तो ये 0, ये जो 10 है ये 9 हो जाएगा और ये वाला 0 हमारा 10 हो जाएगा. Again try to understand, it is similar that suppose 3 friends are there, you, your friend and one more friend. Now you want pencil from your friend, but your friend is also not having pencil, so how he will provide you? तो वो क्या करेगा, वो अपने फ्रेंड से लेगा, जब वो अपने फ्रेंड से पेंसिल लेगा उसके बाद फिर वो आपको देगा. So same thing of sharing is done here also. Okay, now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, you can count 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10, so how much we are getting? 5. After count after 9, sorry, after 5 5 6 7 8 9, but we are getting 4, 4, this is 7, this is 6, so 7 minus 6 is 1. Now this is again 1 and 5. Now again we cannot subtract directly, so we need borrow, so this 2 will be borrowed to this one and this one will become 11 and this 2 will become 1. Now 11 minus 5, so count after 5 till 11, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, again count after 5 till 11, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, but we are getting 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 6 liter 145 milliliter. What is the answer? 6 liter 145 milliliter. Now let's see this one, but it is again liter and milliliter. Now it is simple. 0 0 is 0. 8 minus 4. Now count after 4 till 8. 4 5 6 7 8, but we are getting 4, so what will be here? 4. Now this is 3, this is 5, so we cannot subtract 5 from 3, so what do we need? We need borrow from 6, so when 6 is giving one number to 3, it is becoming 13 and this 6 will become 5. आपको उसी समय वो change लिख देना है, either you will forget and after that your answer will become wrong. So this is 13, this is 5. Now count after 5 till 13, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. See how much it is coming? 8. Count again. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So we are getting 8 here. Now this is 5. 5 minus 1 is very simple. You can write 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. We have not made any change here because 5 is already greater number than 1. तो उसको तो borrow की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तो 3 as it is रहेगा and this will be 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 14 liter and 840 milliliter. What answer we are getting? 14 liter and 840 milliliter. So students, in this class today we have done subtraction of different types. Simple subtraction, then subtraction of kilogram and gram, and after that we have done subtraction of liters and milliliters. So I hope that this video will help you in revising the types of subtraction we have done in your syllabus. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.